Hello, hello everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share the kit content for the Capture the Fun project. This one right here. It's so gorgeous. All right, let's get to it because it's a lot. So you get the exclusive printed paper collection, Capture the Fun. This is only available digital outside of this event. So this is where you get it. Capture the Fun. It's a 12 by 12 collection. I also included, and I have this one open here, in the project, I used the sentiments at 8 by 8. So I wanted to be sure that for the Zoom class, the Crop at Home event, you had the same exact size that I had. So there's two sentiment sheets in the 12 by 12 collection. So at 8 by 8, Jane was able to put both of them on the 12 by 12. All right, so these are actually at 8 by 8. All right, so you get that. I made sure to include it in that collection there. You also get, we're going to go through the 12 by 12 stuff first. Your chipboard, two chipboards, two acetate, and a pack of Maker Basics cardstock in the black, 80 pounds. You also get your tape. So you get a total of 3 rolls of tape and a bottle of glue. This is the same exact glue that I used for this project. So you also get this, your bottle of glue, your 3 rolls of tape. You get your 3/8 inch, your 1/4 inch, and you also get your E3 tape. I use all of this to make the project, so you get it in the kit. All right, all of that, including your glue. I think I only included ever in a kit glue for my in-person retreat, so I included it in this kit. You also get pre-cut pieces, but I'll go through that in just a minute. You get your craft text to make the project. It comes in this bag here, folded. Don't worry, you're not gonna have a crease in your project. And then you get your pre-cut pieces. All right, you get everything you need to make your lens. Right, so this is what I mean by lens right here. Right, so this is the lens. You get all of the pieces to make this right here. All right. You also get, now the white pieces are actually the shutter, right? The shutter pieces of the lens. These pieces you can use as templates to cut your pattern paper out of, or you can use them white, ink them, stamp them, etc. Let me show you what I did with mine. I use a very light pattern paper for this. All right. There is an SVG file. If you want to cut yours out, by all means, you can do that out of your pattern paper. You can, if you don't want to use the SVG file, you use the templates and you cut that out of pattern paper. And you get all of the pieces, all of the layering pieces. You don't have to cut anything by hand. All of the pieces that you need, the frame, the acetate, everything. You even get an extra piece of craft text, and this comes out of you'll see it, the next piece there. So it's just in there. We weren't doing anything with the circle, so it's just included in there, guys. All right, so you get your lens kit pre-cut, and also in the file there is the SVG files. Okay. Oh, I left this out. Also pre-cut, you get, well, let's talk about this. So pre-cut, you get the cover. All right, that's this piece right here. All right, that's this piece right here. This is pre-cut for you, okay? Out of craft text. You also get your C piece cut out of craft text. You also get these craft color paper, and this can come in any color. Right now I have a craft sample for you. This is your matting files. If you don't want to use your SVGs to cut your mat, you can use your templates. All right, so you get your template for the inner, the outer, the arrow, and the circles that we use to mat the lens. Again, everything you need to make the project from start to finish. I'm going to put these, now leave those pieces out because that is the ring piece. And put that in there just so. Perfect. All right, so those are your template pieces. And the rest of it goes in here. All right, with your, maybe I should put this in here. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to put this whole thing in there or not. We'll see. You'll see how your cake arrives to you. This one's mine for my class. All right, you also get your hardware canister, right? So in here you get all of your hardware, magnets, hardware, everything. So you get your twine, you get your magnets. We use magnet to magnet in this, okay? Magnet to magnet. All of the magnets you need to make it. You also get your hardware pieces, again, everything. Your 4 brads, your eyelets, your fabulous handmade plates, metal, all right, your handmade plates. Let's put this in here that I already talked about. Your mini circle, this is like a carabiner clip, and your corners. All right, again, everything, 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 everything. And then I put that right in there for everyone. And close that right up. So all you have to do is have all your goodies available, and it's so fabulous, right? Then you get your cup, these pieces right here. All right, you get all the goodies for the outside, all of these here. Now, these vary, which is why I saved them for last. All right, so there's a cream one, a blue one, a pink one, a red one, a purple one, a green one, an orange one. They're all fabulous, and everything matches back. All right, so you get your faux Stanley cup, right? Your little mini cup. You get your hearts. You get your rainbow. And you get your pom-pom with a flower, okay? Again, everything that you need, guys, including adhesive. The best part of this kit is the exclusive printed paper collection. All right, so if you get this kit, you will be the only ones having this exclusive printed paper collection. So there it is. We're making this absolutely spectacular project on May 16th via Zoom. It is a 3-day event. There are lots of prizes, there's lots of fun, there's lots of interaction. You get to see your fellow crafters, and you get to spend 3 days, glorious days, crafting. And the end result is this project, all right, made out of craft text. Let's see, trying to think. You can get a kit. These are currently shipping. You can get one at paperphenomenon.com. You can either get the full kit or you can get the ticket only, which gives you access to the live 3-day event. If you can't make all 3 days, no worries. It is recorded, so you will be able to watch the recording for the live event. Included with this purchase is the private recorded videos on making this project. If you just want to craft on your own or you want to make another one, it's in the project folder. It also includes the SVG files that you have forever for all of this goodness, for the lens, for everything, for all the matting pieces, everything. Oh, and you also get a written tutorial, all right, on how to create this step by step. If you don't want to watch the videos over and over and over, you can refer back to a written tutorial on this project. So happy crafting, guys, and I'll see you all May 16th to make this. Check out the project folder for all of the uploads, your itinerary and all that good stuff, and access to the Zoom class. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. Get your kit, paperphenomenon.com. Thank you so very much.